Christmas trees.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne.
Took a line to wait.
Yep, way back probably.
And that's why it was traffic.
For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne.
So they said today that it's some kind of hello friends, now it's too late as it is. So I came back from dollar store and we did some shopping. I'm wearing my glasses from I Buy Direct. And today they said it will be snowstorm, so I wanna see if now it's snowing more. Let's see. Wow, indeed, kind of more snow at night. It's now snow. Snowing. It will be terrible to snow plow it. And they said it might be 18 inches. Oh no. But we have snowblower, so that's good. Okay, see you later. Bye. I go watching this clip. This one. Friends, today is current situation. We have snow storm and everywhere snowing, and here I am in the yard, and the situation is that a snowblower needs 1 hour to start, and there are turkeys. See? And here is the shed, and everything looks so nice, like winter wonderland. And my outfit is see how much snow. Outfit: Ugg, the Adidas pants, leather down jacket from Colombia, and some gloves. And it's kind of cold, but I'm warm in this jacket, and some hat. So I will do some snowing stuff. I mean, look guys, so deep. It's really deep snow. And it's windy, so I have to put my jacket hood. Okay, see you later. Recording. We ended snowblower didn't start it, and we did all things by shovel. Most did my boyfriend, I helped him, but not. Oh no, look guys how much now. Again snowing. Again shoveling party tomorrow, I think. I shovel little car too, and we are all sweaty. Now I will take a shower. See you later. But when it comes to shoes, so these ones were good. They didn't soak inside, even in deep snow. But I was wearing snow pants over them. These ones and this coat also keep water outside. Colombia jacket. Keep snow outside, and droplets looks like this, and they don't soak inside, so that's good material. And these pants are good because we have these things. It's like ski pants, but they are cool also because we have inside fleece. I got them at Adidas long time ago on sale in Poland. It was okay. See you later.